Hey, John.
What's up, Mike?
Hey, live fire or misfire?
Okay.
Under Chapter 135, there is no way to acquire a large capacity magazine in Massachusetts, either pre-ban or new.
All right, so yeah, the legal citation is going to be 131M of Chapter 140. And it refers to the date of September 13th, 1994 for the date of manufacture for a large capacity pre-ban, large capacity feeding device. In America, they just call them magazines. Massachusetts, we call them pre-ban large capacity feeding device. So the only way that an LTC holder can acquire a pre-ban large capacity feeding device at this point in Massachusetts is if somebody dies and wills it to them.
Ugh.
So take a look at Chapter 140, Section 131M. I believe it's paragraph B or C.
So they're not transferable unless you die.
Unless you die.
Oof. All right, thanks, John.
Glad to help.